A very good morning to all. Class 5. Yesterday we have completed our second portion of fraction, that is addition, subtraction and simplification. And I had sent you the PDF also of this to make you more clear that how to do it. Now today we are going to start the next portion, that is multiplication of fractions. Multiplications of a fractional number by a whole number. Fraction multiply whole number, which is equal to numerator of the fraction multiply whole number divide by denominator of the fraction. Whole number means complete number, not in fraction. Okay, if the question is like that there is a fraction, that is 4 by 25 for example, by 3, meaning of by is multiply by 3, so 3 is a whole number, so numerator of the fraction multiply whole number divided by denominator of the fraction, means in place of by you have to put multiplication symbol. Okay, now we have to solve this question. This is an example. Let's do it. 4 by 25 multiply by 3, which is equal to, see here, 4 multiply 3 by 25. We have put it into this form, which is equal to 4 3s are 12, 25 as it is the denominator. Now, how you can recognize that the number is whole number? When only 3 is written, that means this is 3 by 1. Okay, if only 3 is written in between, it means this is 3 by 1 and the 1 will remain 1, so the value is 3 is equal to 3. In the same form 14, but if it has been written as 1 by 3, then it would have become another fraction, but this is a whole number. Now similarly, when it is given 7 by 9 multiply by 3, so what you have to do? Multiplication symbol is there, 7 and 3 by 9. You can put it into a lowest term also. You can divide this 3 and 9 and make it into a lower term. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. How we put a number into a lower term? This we have read in the first exercise. When we when we multiply with the same number, numerator as well as denominator. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. This has come onto lowest term. Now 7 1s are 7, 3 as it is. This is improper fraction. See here, this is proper fraction where numerator is less than denominator. But here, this is improper fraction. Numerator is more than denominator. So now you can change this also into a mixed number. Like this. Okay? Now, 9 by 20 multiply by 25. Why we are writing 9 and 25 together and 20 as it is? Because we are taking the 20 as common denominator for both the numerator. It is 25, that means 25 by 1. So 25 will behave as numerator by 1. So 21 is also 20. That's why we are taking the 20 as common denominator. Read here. Divide the numerator and the denominator by the common factor. That I have told you that whenever we divide the numerator and denominator, we have to multiply it with the same number, common factors. Okay, and we have taken this 20 also as denominator for both. Now 9 multiply 25 by 20, so 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. So we have to divide the numerator and denominator by the common factor. Factor means in which these two comes. Now, which is equal to 45 by 4. Again, in this also this is an improper fraction, so we have converted into mixed number. Now second type, this is a number when fraction number by whole number. Now multiplication of a fraction number by another fractional number. Okay, let us consider the following example. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Out of this 4 part, 3 parts are colored. That is 1, 2 and 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4 parts of this one whole is shaded. Now here, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of this 8 parts, 3 parts are shaded. The shaded portion in figure 1 represents 3 by 4. If we take half of this shaded portion, it is 3 by 8 as is evident from figure 2. Therefore, half of 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 8, or 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 8. Okay, now let us consider what actually happened. Actually, this figure is a broader one. This is a wider one, in which they have simply separated into 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. See here, same figure, but it has been again parted into a more darker one. Okay, so 3, this is the more darkest portion. Okay, so 3 by 8. Understood? Now, the product of two fractional number is a fraction number whose numerator is the product of their numerator and whose denominator is the products of their denominator. So what you have to do? You have to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Look here now. 8 by 5 multiply 2 by 3. So what you have to do? You have to multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 8 multiply 2, 15 multiply 3. 8 2s are 16, 15 3s are 45. This is proper fraction, so we don't have to convert it into any form. We'll leave this as it is. Now, 9 by 16 multiply 8 by 27. We can put it into a more lowest term. How? See, 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. We can do cross multiplication. When multiplication is given here, the symbol of multiplication is given here between the two fractions. This means we can multiply like this also, up, down, or even up, down like this. But we can't cut it, the numbers like this one. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to do the conversion into lowest term, up and down. Now this becomes 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6. Come to the C number. First of all, this is a mixed number. What you have to do? You have to first convert this into an improper fraction. 7 3s are 21 plus 5 26 by 7. Multiply. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14 by 5. Now you have to put it into a lowest term. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Now 26 2s are 52 by 5. So this is improper fraction. When improper fraction comes, we have to convert it into a mixed number. What is the third form of multiplication? The third form of multiplication is multiplication of more than two fractional number. So there is more than two fractional number. We have to do this also as same it is as we have done for the two fractional number. We can take 3 also altogether, or if you want to take first 2, then you want to multiply this, that also you can do, or you can take it all together. Solution. See here. We can multiply 2 or more fractional numbers by first finding out the product of 2 of them, then multiplying the product by the third. As this. First they have find out the product of first two fractions, later on they have taken the third fraction. But alternatively, the next method, what you can do? You can take all the numerators all together and all the denominators also, and you can find out the product easily. So 3 by 5 multiply 5 by 7 multiply 9 by 11. Now put it into all together. Now we can cut up down also, but there is not such a number which we can put it into a lowest term. So what you have to do? You have to simply multiply here. 3 5s are 15, 15 9s are 135. Now denominator. 4 7s are 28, 28 11s are 308. This is a proper fraction. So when this is a proper fraction, you have to leave this as it is. Now come to the next example. Find the products. Same dear. A number is this. Convert it into a fraction. This is mixed fraction. We have converted into a improper fraction where it is required. 5 by 8 as it is. Again we have converted this mixed number into an improper fraction. After doing this, what next? Take it all together. Then 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45. I hope they have cut it down into a lowest term. See, it is converted into a lowest term again. Now you can take here, here, or here, here, or here, here, but you have to cut with the numerator and denominator only two things. Means if you are cutting here, you should cut only here, not 8 3s are 24. If it is 16 here, 8 2s are 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16. No, 8 not become common. One term only one time it is to be cutted. So 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Okay, so now it has come into a lowest term. Now what you have to do? 3 5 and 3 you have taken for numerator and this is for the denominator. Now 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45 by 11. Convert it into a mixed number as it is. This has also been done. Even it is 4 fractions. The same way you have to cut. What I told you, when it is a whole number, this means downside it is 1. Now, what are the properties of multiplication? What you should follow? Like, we have to follow some properties while doing addition, subtraction, everything. What are the properties of multiplication while fraction? Change the order of fractional numbers does not change the product. Means if 1 by 2, then 3 by 7, then 5 by 9 is written here, and if you change the sequence, the answer, the product doesn't change. The product of a fraction and 1 is the fraction itself. Suppose 5 by 6 is a fraction and you are multiplying it with a whole number, that is 1. The answer is the fraction itself. Why? 5 1s are 5, 6 as it is. Now, the product of a fraction and 0 is always 0. As we know, whenever we multiply any number with 0, the answer always comes 0. This is the multiplication process. You can easily multiply this in your copy, and you have to do this in your copy only. See, so easily. You have to do it in your copy only, beta. I am doing it for you, but you have to do it in your copy. See here. 5 by 8 multiply 7. Let me do it for you. The first I am doing for you, the easy one. Okay. Then we will move to the tougher one also. Wait. See. This is exercise 9C. Today's date is 10/07/2020. 5 by 28 multiply by 7. Or we can write it together also. 7 1s are 7 4s are 28. So this is 5 by 4 and this is improper fraction. When we divide, we'll get 1 whole 1 by 4 as answer. Now you can take the tougher one also. Suppose this. Whenever we multiply any number with 0, the answer is 0 itself. Okay, now come here. 1 by 2. Come to the next question, G number. So 1 by 4. This is A number and this is G number. 1 by 4 multiply 2 whole 1 by 2 multiply 4 by 5 multiply 3 whole 1 by 2 multiply 4 by 5. Okay, now 1 by 4 as it is, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2, 4 by 5 as it is, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Convert this mixed number into improper fraction, then multiply by 4 by 5. Now if any number is cutting, we can cut it up and down, but here let's see, 4 1s are 4 1s are, now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2, 5 cut 5 cut. Now what has left? 7 and 5. So the answer is 7 by 5, and this is improper fraction, so we can change it into mixed number. 5 1s are 5, 2 will be the remainder and 5 will be the denominator. So easy. This multiplication portion is very easy. In the same way, you have to do the division also using the reciprocal. Means wherever this divide symbol is given, you simply have to do that. You have to put the multiplication symbol, and whatever is there after division, you have to just reverse it. Means you have to write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means just make this alternate, opposite it, return it. So 13 is denominator, here it will be numerator, 213 will become the denominator. So this portion is very easy, division portion. So what you will do? What will be your homework? Just wait for a while. Let me check exercise 9D also, because exercise 9C is very easy and only some of the questions are there. See what you can do, beta. In exercise 9D you can do question number 1, that is divide. Here what you have to do, where this division symbol is there na, and only whole number is given, it means 70 by 1. Let me show. Leave question number 2 of exercise 9D, but 1 you can do very easily. Okay, let me give the introduction first. Division of fractions. We follow the following rules for division. Replace the divisor by its reciprocal. See, if the question asks divide 1 by 3 by 2, by 2 means this is the divisor, we have to make it the reciprocal. See what I have told you, beta. When 2 is written, means this is 2 and denominator is 1. When we make the reciprocal of this, it will become 1 by 2. Now if the question is 1 by 3 divide 2, what I have told you, put the sign of multiplication here and just reverse it, make the reciprocal. 1 by 2, simplify. What will be your answer? 1 by 3 multiply 1 by 2, 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6. In the same way you can do this also. When there are two fractions given, what you have to do? Replace the divisor by its reciprocal. Divide 11 by 15, we have to divide this, so this is dividend. By 2 by 3 means this is divisor, so you have to replace the divisor by its reciprocal. So this is 2 by 3, it will become 3 by 2. And what you have to do in solution? In place of division, you have to put the multiplication symbol and make the reciprocal. Then you can simply cut it and find the answer. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now 11 1s are 11, 5 2s are 10. This is improper fraction, so we have converted into a mixed number. In the same way we have to do this, beta. First change mixed number into an improper fraction, then make the reciprocal of the divisor. See, 2 by, this is 213 by 13, so we have made the reciprocal, that is 13 by 213. Then 17 1s are 17, sorry 71 1s are 17, 71 3s are 213, then 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. So easy. 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6. So you can easily do division exercise 9D question number 1. So how you can do this? Let me show you. First we'll do the easy one. This is exercise 9D question number 1. Okay, now question number A. 35 by 44 divided by 70. What I told you? You have to make the reciprocal of the divisor. So reciprocal of divisor. 70 by 1, which is equal to 1 by 70. Now what you can do, 35 by 44. In place of division you have to put multiplication and you have to write this reciprocal. Very easy. 31 ones are 31 twos are 7, 35 ones are 35, 35 twos are 70. Now 1 ones are 1, 42 4 8s are, 44 twos are 88. This is proper fraction, so you have to leave it as it is. Now for this, when there are two fractions given, if there are two fractions given, what you have to do? If there are two fractions given, see, 26 by 27 divided by 13 by 15. So this is 15. Okay. Reciprocal of divisor. 13 by 15 is divisor. So which is equal to 15 by 13. Now 26 by 27. Put multiplication symbol. Write the reciprocal. Now 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. Now any can any number cut? Yes. 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15. Now this is the lowest term. So 2 5s are 10, 9 1s are 9. Now this is improper fraction. 10 is more than 9. So we can change into a mixed number. Okay. In the same way you have to do the whole number also. See, we will take the 3 numbers one. Now take k. If we are taking k number, 2 whole 1 by 4, divide 1 whole 3 by 10, divide 3 by 13. Now first we change the mixed number into a proper fraction, improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. First you write as it is. 10 ones are 10 plus 3, 13 by 10, then 3 by 13. What you have to do, after each division symbol, you have to put the multiplication symbol and just reverse it. 9 by 4 multiply. Just make this turn. 10 by 13. Again multiply symbol. Make this also turn. 13 by 3. So easy. 13 and 13 cut. 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. This is the lowest term. Now 3 5s are 15. 2 1s are 2. Change it into a mixed number. 2 7s are 14. 1 remainder. 2 will be the denominator. So like this you have to do the multiplication and you have to do the division. Ultimately in division also beta you have to do the multiplication. Only one minor change is there. You have to first make the reciprocal of the divisor, then cut the numbers as we were doing in the multiplication. Okay, so what is your homework for today? Exercise 9C and exercise 9D, question number 1. Question number 2 and word problems we'll do next week. Okay beta? And you have to complete this chapter from exercise 9A till exercise 9D, question number 1 in your copy. And if there is any query, you can ask. Now in the next week we'll start our next portion. See you, take care and bye bye.